Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how you can add a list in your app. So let's get started. As you know how to log in Thunkable and creating projects. So create a project, give it name any name, and if you don't know you can watch my previous videos. So let's get started. When you will make a project, this screen will appear. Then make a take any list from these. Add components, basic in data, simple list, data viewer list, data viewer grid list. So I will take simple list and this. In first list I will add hello. See here, hi, bye, good. I gave it any one. So you can see that this is a list. This is a list. You can add more things in this. And if you don't want to add things from here, you can add things like here. When screen 1 opens, simple list items 2. Then lists, create a list 1, 2, 3. See, this will make a list 1, 2, 3. Then we want when list item click. Then I will take an if block. If is equals to item is equals to math is equals to, see this 1. When it is 1, then I will create a label here, then empty string, then go to label, set label sticks to 1. Control C, Control V. Here. When it is 2, when it is 3, when it is 2, when it is 3. Done. 2, 3. I think there was a glitch. 3. Now if we will test it, when I click on 1, see it's showing us 1, 2, 3. This is in today's video. Thank you, like, share and subscribe.